Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland, just lining you up. Okay, that's pretty good I think. And you see before you a 33 1/3 record with some white paint on it. I have another record over here. I'm going to do a reverse flip and see if I can't get a flower. I've been watching Heather and Fiona and their work is brilliant, absolutely. So, and I have not quite managed to get this reverse white thing moving, and I would like to. So that's what I'm doing. I should probably have worked this out a bit better, but not to worry. I just put it down here and another one about here. Whoops. I have red, blue, black, white and yellow with it, and some green. Here the recipes for these paints you'll find under Show More, just below the video, and also there is a link to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming. Putting some blue on these. I just hope this works. Oops, getting a few dribbles. I might have to fix those up in a second. Nice blue in there. There's no silicone in any of these colours. White. Okay, let's do this. And I'll just get rid of these. Dots, I'll probably end up with more dots anyway in a minute, but we'll soon see. Okay, so it looks like it might not be straight, so we'll put it around that way. And now some yellow, which I'll just do that. And I need another knife for my green. Have some green here, and maybe some green, whoops, here, and then across in here, and there, and once again, goodness, I'm making a mess, come out. Away. Okay, so I can put more white on if I need, and I just might need to, but we'll soon see in a second. Okay, so perhaps the yellow could be a little bit more. Okay, that might do it. Now, I didn't block that off, did I? Sorry, Winston, I walked on you. Alright, just putting a bit of white blue tack in there. I don't know what the white one's called, but that's what this is. Making sure that it's nice and smooth on this side, which is going down like this. And sandwich. A paint sandwich. What could be better? Just a little tap around. And then get the two separated. This is the fun part. Come on, you can do it. Got that one. Oh, come on. Okay, here we go. Hold with one finger, lift with the other. Here's hoping. Come on, up. Let go. Oh, it doesn't want to. There we go. And I have a mess. So I'm not going to let this faze me. Yes, I am. Low. I thought that would have come up really good. Alright, I do need some more white. Only thing to do with this. Back to the drawing board. Here's my grandson. Good morning, Dion.
Morning.
It's just started to rain here in Bundaberg, Queensland. Okay. And some black, I think. Oops, that was maybe a bit too much. Alright. And I think a bit more white. Oops. And I am going to smash it again and see what happens. Now we're talking. Now we are most definitely talking. They are both really good. I'm just going to tilt it a bit because I have rather a lot of paint on here now. And take it around. And then down. Back to the centre a bit. Right, there's one. That is really pretty. And now this little baby. Alright, so you might have some more white around here. Well, it's not the flowers that I had thought, but nonetheless, I have something here that's very pretty. In fact, I have two. I think I've got enough white on this piece. How are you? You're good. And then maybe what I'm putting on here now, this white, that will, as it dries, that will flatten out, even itself up. As you can see, it's already started to do that here. Okay. I'm very happy. Two for the price of almost none. Okay, and this one here's got enough on it. So, with this one, let me see. I might bring some white up through here a little bit. And you can come around there. Right, and then bring this around here. That might be all I'll do with the white, and I will put some red. Sounds like the washing machine is emptying itself. And I'll bring you around there. Okay, and I'll just bring you around as well. Now, some blue. That's black. Where's my blue one? Okay, so you don't have a blue one. All right. I'd rather not have those touching. Get over there. So the blue hasn't really shown up much, so we'll just, and I happen to like this blue rather a lot. Okay, so right, and now I'm going to put some red on here, and then I think I'm going to tilt it a bit just to bring these other colours in and around. Okay. So to perhaps bring it over this way a bit more. It's slowly coming down. Bring it back to the centre a little bit. Okay. Now, I do happen to have this comb, which I cut every second prong out of, and there's my centre there. It's just oops, that didn't work very well. I think that is coming up pretty good. And I'll like in that centerpiece. Just a little double. It's not exactly white, nor is it yellow. Okay, yep. I think this is a dunner. It's done. I rather like this, 2 at once. And this one here is really, really spectacular. Lovely colours, lovely patterns. Alright, I'm going to wipe my hands off and then I'll bring you down to take a closer look at these. Okay, so cloth. Take you out a little bit. I think I'll do it from this side. I don't know what the light is like, though it looks alright on here. So this was the bottom one, and as you can see it's really bright. Quite effective. And that came up really nice. And this is the top one, which I did a bit of smashing on. And that's the little centerpiece I put in. You can see the lines from the comb. Just makes it a little bit more interesting, gives it a bit of movement. And so the lines on here are not messed with, they've just come up themselves. There's a few little cells there, probably from the, well, it has to be from the Floetrol, which is in the pouring medium. Okay, so if you haven't already subscribed, please do. Click the little bell and you'll be notified then as I put videos up. Please give this the thumbs up, I do appreciate that. And goodness, these are bright. I will catch you in the next one. Bye for now.